You're looking at MicroVision. So this stock is this in the meme group? I mean, what's going on? It's catching a bid.
You know, I'm not going to call it a meme stock, Nicole, but we are seeing a short squeeze in the making. And this has actually been developing over the last month or so. We've actually seen the stock trade as low as $1.94 at the early part of March. It traded as high as $8 today. So that's about a 312% increase in share price. And it has significantly impacted the company's market value here. Now, they actually do focus on developing these sensors that are utilized in autonomous vehicles as well as automotive safety applications. And they also have exposure to the augmented reality space as well, making interactive displays, micro display engines, things of that nature. And they sell directly to OEMs. But we haven't had any news coming out from the company here. So there was a significant amount of short interest. Last time that I checked, it was at around 26%, but the off-exchange short volume ratio, which really indicates the short interest or the short positioning in dark pools, things of that nature, that was sitting at around 60% a couple of days ago here. But today, the big news is that right now it appears that the street is unable to locate any additional shares to be able to short at this point in time. And actually, I reached out to one of my contacts here, and it looks like the short rate, if you will, the amount of money that a short stockholder has to pay to be able to short the stock. Right now, it's sitting at 56.75% on an annualized basis. That's pretty significant. You have to pay that money up in order to be able to short the shares. Now, before this May rally, we did see the stock trade around 3 million, 2.5 to 3 million shares a day. Yesterday, we saw 33 million shares traded. That's about 11 times X the average volume that we usually see for the stock. Right now, we've traded over 15 million shares. We're only 2 hours into the session, so we might be breaking that record here fairly soon. But it has been a pretty wild ride. A lot of option interest in this stock as well. The $8 calls right now are seeing a lot of activity. It's commanding around 20% of all call option activity at this point in time. So a lot of speculation. Just be mindful. The stock has seen a lot of volatility to the upside or downside, but it is fun to watch sometimes seeing these names that go from $1 and move up to $8. And sometimes it's kind of interesting to see somebody get short squeezed at the end of the day.
And 20% of the share, I mean, that's unbelievable. Definitely a hot topic. Kevin, I'm glad you brought us this one. A lot of fun to watch, and people beware, right? Kevin Green, Senior Markets Correspondent here on the TD Ameritrade Network. Thank you.